Which synonym belongs to execrate? The correct answer is anathematize. Which synonym belongs to manifold? The correct answer is multiplicitous. Which synonym belongs to jeopardy? The correct answer is peril. Which synonym belongs to vaunt? The correct answer is brag. Which synonym belongs to look out? The correct answer is surveillance. Which synonym belongs to infidel? The correct answer is non-believer. Which synonym belongs to increment? The correct answer is enlargement. Which synonym belongs to confine? The correct answer is border. Which synonym belongs to morgue? The correct answer is mortuary. Which synonym belongs to lumber? The correct answer is timber. Which synonym belongs to linger? The correct answer is abide. Which synonym belongs to naughty? The correct answer is intricate. Which synonym belongs to prosperity? The correct answer is well-being. Which synonym belongs to alacrity? The correct answer is quickness. Which synonym belongs to couple? The correct answer is affix. Which synonym belongs to shift? The correct answer is swap. Which synonym belongs to superannuated? The correct answer is pension. Which synonym belongs to outfit? The correct answer is fit. Which synonym belongs to ornithology? The correct answer is foulore. Which synonym belongs to glacial? The correct answer is ice age.